So we can expand cosine theta and expand sine theta. So 1 minus cosine theta, I will choose 1 minus 2 sine power 2 half the angle, so theta over 2, plus I can expand sine theta to 2 sine theta over 2 cosine theta over 2 over 1, plus I will choose another rule to cosine theta. I can use 2 cosine power 2 theta over 2 minus 1 plus 2 sine theta over 2 cosine theta over 2. I use the rule to cancel the 1, so 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, and the remainder will be 2 sine power 2, 2 sine power 2 theta over 2 plus 2 sine theta over 2 cosine theta over 2. Take 2 sine theta common factor from the numerator. The numerator will be sine theta over 2 plus cosine theta over 2. And from the denominator, we can cancel negative 1 and 1 and take 2 cosine theta over 2, or the remainder will be 2 cosine theta over 2 plus 2 sine theta over 2 cosine theta over 2. Take 2 cosine theta over 2. The remainder will be cosine theta plus sine theta over 2. I will cancel the 2 brackets and 2 with 2, so the remainder will be sine theta over 2 over cosine theta over 2, which equal to tan theta over 2. Another example, if sine a over 2 equal 1 over 3, without using calculator, find cosine a over 2 and sine a and cosine a. So sine a over 2 equal 1 over 3. To get sine a and cosine a and cosine a over 2, we can use the rule we can draw sine a over 2 in the first quadrant or in the second quadrant. So we have two solutions. The first one, in the first quadrant, we can draw a over 2, opposite 1, and the hypotenuse is 3, and to get the adjacent, use 3 power 2 minus 1 power 2 Pythagoras equal root 8, which equal to root 2. So cosine a over 2 equals to adjacent over hypotenuse 2 root 2 over 3. This is the first one. And sine a equal to 2 sine a over 2 cosine a over 2. So 2 times sine a over 2 equal 2 root 2 over 3 times 1 over 3, which equal to 4 root 2 over 9. And the cosine a equal cosine power 2 a over 2 minus sine power 2 a over 2, which equal to cosine 2 root 2 over 3 power 2 minus 1 over 3 power 2. This is 8 over 9, and 1 over 9 will be 7 over 9. The next one, in the second quadrant. So sine a over 2, 1 over 3, we can draw it in the second quadrant because sine positive in the second quadrant. So this is a over 2, and the opposite will be 1, and adjacent will be 3, and here will be negative 2 root 2. So cosine a over 2 will be negative root 2, negative 2 root 2 over 3, and sine a will be 2 sine a over 2 cosine a over 2, which will be 2 times 1 over 3 times negative root 2 over 2 over 3, negative 2 root 2, 2 root 2 over 3, which equal to negative 4 root 2 all over 9, and cosine a equal cosine power 2 a over 2 minus sine power 2 a over 2, which equal to negative 2 root 2 over 3 power 2 minus 1 over 3 power 2, which equal to 7 over 9. Thank you very much and see you later.